Severe flooding across Malaysia is bracing for its worst flooding in a decade.
Sarawak Fire and Rescue Department draw up water in order to flood out the forest fires.
The fire at Kuala Lumpur Selatan is now spread to more than 40 hectares due to the hot, dry and windy weather.
In Malaysia, temperatures rise sharply over the loss of greenery and climate change.
Hi, Husna.
Hi, Kak Ati.
What are you watching, dear?
It's so terrified. The weather keeps worsening years after years. I could feel the heat keeps coaching me.
That is because our cities are overwhelmed with concrete and short on green spaces. But don't worry, there's a solution, my dear.
Really, Kak Ati? What kind of the sorcery is it?
It is called nature-based solution. It means using nature to solve environmental problems. For example, trees helps to reduce the city temperature, wetland helps to absorb flood water, and the green rooftop helps with the cooling building system. Want to know more about how MBS works?
Yes, I'm excited. It feels so much cooler here.
Because trees provide shades and cool the environment naturally.
Really? How much cooler, Kak Ati?
Trees can reduce up to 5 degrees Celsius of city temperature and also reduce 25% of energy costs in the city.
It's clear that trees help us with the heat. But what about floods? Can nature shield us from it?
Absolutely. Wetlands act as a natural sponge, soaking up surplus rainwater and purifying it by filtering pollutants.
But how much water can they absorb?
Wetlands can absorb up to 1.5 million litres per hectare and filter 80% of pollutants.
Kak Ati, why the water is blackish color? Is it harmful to humans?
Oh, Husna, it is not blackish color. This tannin gives water a dark coloration. It comes from the natural resources and really not harmful to humans.
Lately, big swarm forest fires are becoming a common threat. Could nature stop them?
Nature is always the best solutions, dear. Study shows that maintaining a high water table can reduce the risk of peak fires by up to 90%.
Wow, what a lovely garden! I wonder what's the idea behind of growing food in the urban space instead of farm?
Urban farming brings fresh food closer to our homes, reduce dependence on outside sources while boosting a city's self-sufficiency.
But is it really effective?
Urban farms can produce 20 times more food per square meter than traditional farms.
A garden on top of a building? That's so cool!
Exactly. Green roofs helps to regulate the building temperature, soak up the rainwater and prevent flood.
That's interesting. How much difference does it make?
A 1,000 meter square green roof can absorb about 20,000 litres of rainwater and reduce 30% of the building cooling cost.
Wow, Kak Ati, nature's power is humbling.
Nature-based solutions provide a powerful ways for more resilient and sustainable future.
Nature often holds the key to the most effective solutions. From city parks that cool our urban spaces to urban farms providing fresh, local food. From green roofs that regulate building temperatures and manage rainwater, to wetlands that protect us from floods and fires. It's time we work with nature, not against it.